Hello students, today I will discuss about CTET. CTET answer. Okay. So ये 2026 का क्या है आंसर की है CTET का सोशल साइंस का बेसिकली. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या दिया गया है? The cultural unity and diversity of the present time could be applied to which of the following historical fact related to Hampi? Hampi is situated in Karnataka nowadays. Hampi temples are the hub of cultural activities. So it is right. Every temples are associated with cultural activities. Devdasi temple dance are performed before the deity royalty but not before the masses. Devdasi temple dancer. In South India, there are so many temples. In Odisha, there is temple of Jagannath Puri temple, and here is Chola temple. Kerala, all are associated with the Devdasi system. Devdasi is a temple dancer. Okay, so this dancer basic job was to dance and entertain of deity royalty and before the masses. Yes, before the masses. So it is not before the masses now. It is before the masses. And they are originator of the classical dance such as Odissi. Bharatanatyam. Odissi is in Odisha. Bharatanatyam is Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is in Tamil Nadu. And Odissi. Mohiniyattam is in Kerala. And so on. The Mahanavami festival known today as Navaratri in the south was one of the most important festivals celebrated in Hampi. It is right. So C is right. A and C. 32 questions is assertion. There was a huge demand for indigo in European market in 17th and 18th century. Reason why the 17th century European cloth producers persuaded their government to relax the ban on indigo import. Because why Europeans cloth producer persuaded the government to relax the ban on indigo import? Because there is a tree, wood tea, which is similar to indigo, and indigo is good substitute, and it produces more good color. That's why the board tree planter they face huge loss because indigo is much more good quality for color. That's why the British administration imposed ban on indigo, and that is the reason after that British cloth production they persuade the government to relax the ban so that indigo again imported in British India and in British from India, and it will be a good step. By the end of 17th century, Britain began to industrialize. Not the end of 17th century, at the end of 18th century. So, one is correct. One is correct. 31. 33. Water scarcity is caused by following given factors. Water harvesting, variation in rainfall. Yes. Water scarcity. If there is more rainfall, then it is good, and less rainfall related to drought. More rainfall related to flood, Over exploitation is happening in agriculture sector, especially in irrigation, and because of the water guzzling crops such as paddy and so on. That's why the over exploitation. Contamination of the water. Contamination. Two types of contamination is there. One is the contamination of groundwater and by heavy metal. Okay. And contamination of the surface water, such as Jamuna river. If you will go to Delhi, you can see there is home on river Jamuna. So surface water contamination is also there. And groundwater contamination for two metals, that is arsenic and fluorosis. There are also other metals also. But these two things. In arsenic induced Blackfoot disease, cancer, fluorosis induced fluoride, arsenic and fluoride. This is the disease. Tamil epic Monimekalai was composed by Satkana. Shilabandikaram is Ilango, and sequel to Monimekalai and Silabandikaram, they were sequel to each other. Okay. That will be the time of 90 degrees east when it is known as Greenwich Meridian. Greenwich Meridian is in 0 degree and that is 90 degree. 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 90 degree is equal to 360 minutes by 60 means 6 hours. 6 hours. So whenever you go to east and west means decrease of time and east means increase of time. So that is in 6 p.m. 36 coffee. Coffee production area, jute, high temperature and heavy rainfall, and jute, especially in Bangladesh and West Bengal area, and part of Bihar eastern part, Katihar and these districts. And tea is cool climate such as Darjeeling area. Because mountainous steepy slope is needed for tea. If the water is stored in the parts of roots of trees, then it is affected the tea plants. That's why it is needed for that. And wheat is moderate temperature and rainfall, and coffee warm and wet climate. Coffee basically is happening in South India, Karnataka, Baba Buddha Hills, Arabica and Robusta coffee. So wheat is D3, that is D3, 36.4. The farmer in USA work like a businessman, justify the statement. Use of tractor and harvester, there is, that's why they have used tractors and harvester. Automated grain storage, yes, they have. Use of chemical fertilizer, those people who are very rich and resourceful, they use chemical fertilizer, pesticide and so much so on. Farm size small. Farm size small is in India. Because it is fragmented throughout the ancestors' time. That's why farm size is small. A, C and D. Rampur Babu Lake finally rolling stone structure of Mochen period has been found from. That is Bihar in Champaran district. Rajendra Sula is associated with the Champaran district. This Rampurba Road is now in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan, and it is a part of Moria sculpture, polished. India, Persian, and Arabic type of structure is there. Which of the following is not a permanent wind? Easterly permanent wind, trade wind also permanent wind. Monsoon wind is not permanent wind. That is our earth, and it is equator, tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn. Here is in 60 degree north and south and polar area. And trade winds and easterlies are there. These are the permanent wind. But monsoon wind in India, we have Bengal area and Arabian Sea area. Monsoon is originated from these two parts. That's why it is variable and it is not permanent. Many things influence monsoon, such as El Nino, Southern oscillation, and La Nina also, so much so on. And in Indian Ocean, there is also the happening of the El Nino type of situation. So that is the monsoon wind. 40. Analyze the following historical claim with reference to relation between tribe, nomads and settled community. Choose the appropriate option. Born of a society did not interact with the tribal people and at all. The rigidity was due to caste system. Yes, did not interact. No, they are interacting with tribal people also. Rigidity was due to caste system, so it is they are type that rejected both the caste system and orthodoxy as tribe are basically interlinked with each other and they don't think about caste system. Some tribes establish extensive state or well-organized system of administration style. Political part brought them in conflict with the larger kingdom. Yes, many times we see that the king is conflicting with tribal people because of the forest resource and so much so. So BCD is right. BCD is right. Okay. With regards to Panchayat Raj, which of the following sequence in correct hierarchical order? Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat, that is the Gram Sabha. After that, Panchayat. One Panchayat consists many council. Panchayat Samiti is in block. Panchayat Samiti is in block. And after that is district. In district there is Jila Parishad. So Gram Sabha, Panchayat Samiti, Gram Panchayat and Jila Parishad. Terrestrial body that are solar system having their own heat and light. जिनका own heat and light है वो क्या होगा? Stars है. That is the stars. The progress of any nation is depend upon the unity of different social and political group. Political parties should be mindful to this unity during the competitive electoral politics. Which of the following major development is within the national movement? That is the above mentioned assertion. During the Rawat Satyagraha, the participants tried to ensure the Hindus and Muslims were entitled in the fight against British rule. Yes, Hindu Muslim were united to each other to fight against the British during the Rawat Satyagraha. After that, Jallianwala Bagh massacre was happening on that time. And from the late 1980s, the League began. League means Muslim League. Began viewing the Muslim as a separate nation, not only from the 1930 but 1905 time also. And the Congress rejection of the League decided to form a joint Congress League government in the United Province in 1937. Yes, it is right. So A and C is right. C&A, please write. Which unique communication is the most important role in making a large global society? Message through pigeons like WhatsApp type of. Postal service not so much effective for larger global society. Mass media and satellite communication. Satellite means we know about that satellite phones and so on so on. The good communication and internet GPS. It is performed through satellite communication. When there is no network is available, through satellite communication we can get network. That's why satellite here, in that case, satellite communication is there. Mass media means the media of television, TV, radio, and this kind of mass media. Social media means Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, this kind of the social media also. Postal service, we all know about the postal service. So that is the satellite communication. That's large global society is also associated with certain kind of mass media. But in case of this question, this satellite communication is appropriate. Satnam movement in Central India is founded by Guru Hasidas. Jyotirao Phule is associated with the Satya Sadhak Samaj. Gulangiri. Sri Narayan Guru is associated with Satya Dharma Pratipadan Sabha. And Jyotirao Phule is associated with the Maharashtra, Nayan Guru associated with the Kerala. Haridas Thakur associated with Motua sect in West Bengal. And Namasuddha sect. Motua sect is the Namasuddha sect. So these are all the lower class movement. Biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth form. That is the natural environment. Biotic and abiotic. What was the following is not an example of discrimination. Preventing of a group of people from taking water from a common well. Not allowing group of people to drink in same cup. These two are discrimination. Stopping someone is also discrimination. That is not a discrimination, it is a stereotype of the questions that some kind of job is associated with the girl. This is called pink job. And glass ceiling means in case of upper authority, female employee cannot get the upper position. That is called the glass ceiling. Okay. So this discrimination especially shown in the B.R. Ambedkar autobiography or biography. We can see that he, whenever he was child, he faced discrimination of this type, that he cannot sit in a classroom. Okay, he could not sit in the classroom, and he could not take the water from well also. If someone gave him water, then he could able to take this water. He could not able to touch the well. So, is not an example of discrimination. 4. The process of India becoming a nation was a long drawn one. Emergence of political association and resulting political association take time. India did not one day wake up to independence in 1947. Choose the appropriate evidence as a reason. The consciousness of British control over the resources of India began to clearly stated by political association formed after 1850. The consciousness of British control. Whenever we look about the moderate and extremist phase of Indian National Congress, we see this the moderate leader try to arise conscious among masses that British are doing exploitation of the Indian natural resources. Exploitation of Indian natural resources, and this theory is called Dane of Whale theory. Dane of Whale theory. So yes, this is right. The political association work with the idea that people should be sovereign. That is also right. What the Indian National Congress thought about, that India should get sovereign. And irreversible controversy depend the desire for all India organization of educated India. Gilbert will Ripon introduce that Indian judge can also Ripon introduce that Indian judge could also give the judgment of the European subjects, means European citizen. That's why inward with controversy depend the desire for all India organization. So all India organization thought about that we need more educated Indian. And Pune Sarvajanik Swan, Mantas Martin Swan function in specific part of the country, specific regional community class. So it is not directly associated with the national movement, but yes, it also creates some kind of mass awareness also. So the appropriate answer is A, B and D. Sufficient rainfall to Earth's surface is very important for following reason. It brings drought, that is survival of plants animals necessary, bring fresh water to Earth's surface necessary, most of the groundwater necessary comes from the rainfall. That is our tree, and here is roots, root capture waters, and the water is percolated into soil and they create a reservoir, groundwater reservoir. So it brings drought, it brings flood, not drought. So ABT also the answer. Which of the following place is known as Little Tibet? That is Dharamsala. Yes, it is. So it is Dharamsala. Which of the following may have been matched incorrectly? Cold Rebellion 1831 to 32, Buddha Bhagat and Joa Bhagat, and Munda Tai, Goriam Tai associated with the Cold Rebellion in Chotnagpur area. Santa River 1855 and Sidhu Kanu was associated with the Santa Rebellion in Santa Pargana of Chotnagpur and the western part of West Bengal. Basta Rebellion is in Chhattisgarh. It was in 1910. It was happening in 1910, and this was the basically the Taiwan revolt against the British to get back their custom rights, means the rights for their land and rights for collection of forest resources. That is the Basta Rebellion. And Wadli Revolt 1945. So that is, these are the false, and only two of the above are incorrectly matched. And Wadli Revolt is associated with Maharashtra part, Maharashtra region. Wadli painting is a famous folk painting, and they are against the local Jomindar for beggar. Beggar means free labor, or for certain kind of imposition of the marriage and so much, so on. So that is the things. Why is the blue considered true model of Earth? Because countries, continent, ocean are shown in correct size. We are seeing now that if can you compare the football with our Earth? No, we cannot. But in globe, these countries, continent and ocean are particularly shown. That's why we will see that globe considered as a true model of Earth. In the context of Machilipattanam, which with distant land for trade choose the appropriate option. In the 17th century, both the Dutch and English East India Company attempt to control Machilipattanam is become the most important port on Andhra coast. It is right. Dutch are the people from distant land of Denmark and Spain. It is wrong. Dutch is from Netherlands. Netherlands means Holland. And the competition between the trading groups such as Golconda, Novellar, Persian merchant, Telugu, Komati, Chettis, European trader made the city prosperous. It is right. Because whenever the indigenous merchant and foreign merchant, they got competed with each other and the city would be more prosperous. That's why Mir Jumla, the Mughal governor, began to play up the Dutch and English against each other. Yes, it is also a right thing because our indigenous ruler also thought about that to got back their real power, whether it is Mir Qasim or Mir Jafar and so on. So A, B option is not right. C, D, the correct was option. In which year James Mill published his 3-volume book titled History of British India, 1817, and he also discussed about Third Anglo-Maratha War and Paika Rebellion. Paika Rebellion was happening in Orissa. Lithosphere is solid crust of the hard top layer of the earth. Yes. It is made up of rock and mineral covered by a thin layer of sand. Both real and correct are explained here. Consider the following sample of Bengal temple. Temples are built to demonstrate power. Yes, demonstrate power. Temple, but they are giving the legitimacy how? That is temple and deity is worshipped there and Purohit and king get legitimacy from Purohit and Purohit tell about that to masses that you should hear about the king's order. That's why it's built to demonstrate power. Temple began to copy the double rooted structure of the thatched huts. It is also and the 4-rooted structure of thatchers in Bengal area. So A, B, C, D are appropriate. In Bengal, there is so much rainfall. That's why thatched huts kind of structure was. If there is a fallen rainfall will put into down in ground. Okay. But if that is in flat condition this type, it will be stored in this and it can affect the roof of this temple. That's why thatch type of huts is there. Even the thatch type means whenever we saw about the ancient temples construction, the material which is available on that time on that area, that's basically such as in Himachal and Kashmir, we see that this wooden type of structure in Himachal and Kashmir area, granite type of structure in Kerala and Tamil Nadu area, okay, and bamboo type of structure is in eastern part of our India, and that is also one thing is that Band big type of structure in Visnupur temple, that is also in eastern India. How much longitudinal extent does one time zone of earth in one origin? 15 degree, 360 degree, earth is a circle, so it is 360 degree and 24 hours. That is earth rotation. Earth rotates itself. And 360 degree by 24 is equal to 1 hour is equal to 15 degree. A river makes waterfall falling in the water. How the waterfalls is made? That is the hard layer of structure, soft layer of hard layer, soft layer, and that is vertical position. Whenever the water fall in that position. Soft rock is more erosion and hard rock are stick to this point. In that position, the water is directly fall. There is a steep fall in the ground. Okay, vertical position of soft rock and hard rock. So flows over very hard rock and flows down a steep valley. So BD is correct. But in waterfall also soft moves over of soft rock also. But here in this, I think BCD should be correct. Here in that case, B and D is more appropriate. The first cotton mill in India set up in Bombay in 1854. Nanabhai Davar set up this and dispel the misconception of the appropriate conclusion in regard to change in colonial alonial policy. As Diwan, the company became the chief administrator of territory under its code. Diwan is not the chief administrator. He was the collector of the revenue. So he was not the chief administration. And Jomindar specially appointed Diwan for collection of the tax, means in form of gains from farmer. After 1765, company had to think of administering the land and organizing its revenue resources. Yes, company had to think. Before 1765, company purchased wood in India by importing huge quantity of grains. In England, as is lacking of grain actually, and England imported so many masalas, elachi, daruchini, this type of cardamom and black pepper and grain also. So that is a wrong thing, that importing huge quantity, not importing but exporting. And purchase good. What kind of purchase? Agriculture raw material cottons are actually purchased from India and it was exported to European market. The revenue collected could finance the purchase of goods. Yes. So it was done by gold. So whenever British thought that gold was so much exported from Britain to India, that is not a good kind of thing. That's why they came up with a new policy, Diwani rights. They captured the Diwani rights of Orissa, Bengal and Bihar and captured and collected so much money. So when they purchase goods from farmer in India, they purchase from the Diwani money also. So that is wrong. C is wrong. A and D is right. A and D all right. And after saying complaint, have to think of administering land and organizing his revenue resources. It is also wrong.